Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today we're going to take a look here at the all-new 2025 Alpha Wolf 280 QBS travel trailer here. As you can see on the floor plan that's popping up, this thing has a front bedroom, rear bunkhouse setup, one slide out. We're going to take a few minutes here, kind of walk you through the inside and outside of the RV, kind of show you what it's all about here real quick. We're going to start off on the inside here. So stepping up into your new 2025 Alpha Wolf 280 QBS here. They have completely redid the look of the RV inside and out. So you have a new floor pattern for your linoleum, new countertops, new cabinet colors. They even did kind of a little light up countertop edging here as well. You'll also notice the new kind of glow light bars that are dimmable on your ceiling throughout the RV, except in the kids' room they have the traditional puck lights. But over here you're going to have 3 full extending ball bearing drawer guided drawers, some storage underneath the sink area. They went to this kind of cool sink setup here. You got a couple little different things going on here, and you also have that cup rinser there to rinse out the soap and stuff. Window back there opens. You have traditional microwave, hood range light and fan, and also the glass front propane oven with the 3-burner cooktop. Now you do have the Furrion 12 volt 10.7 cubic foot refrigerator here. You also have the electric box with the breakers and fuses down below. One big slide out over here is going to have the jackknife sofa set up here with the little flip up and down armrest cup holder in the middle. That will make a bed, and there's also storage under there as well. Your U-shaped dinette over here will also make into a bed and also has storage underneath. There's actually a large drawer under each side. Nice big windows here, and they are using the pull down roller shades here in this area. Back here is going to be kind of a little pantry area set up here. Let's see if we can squeeze in here. So a decent amount of storage space. Again, you could probably use it as a pantry and also maybe throw some of your towels and linens and stuff in there as well, because your bathroom is directly across from that area. So you're going to have a porcelain foot flush toilet, some counter space, a little bit of shelf space down below, medicine cabinet area here, large turbo exhaust fan. Looks like they did a different wallboard here in the bathroom, so a little different there. Skylight up above, ABS tub surround, step-in shower. A little bit larger, fancier shower head there, so a little different there. Going on back here a little further, we are into the kids' room. So over here on the left side, you're going to have 2 bunks. There's electric outlet USB charger port up top. Same thing down below. And then you have storage down there as well. Back here, you're going to have TV hookups up here. Some shelf space and storage space down below. Over on this side, you're going to have a booth dinette. This area actually makes into a bed as well. And you also have a bunk up top right here that will fold down when you need it to go down for bed mode. But it goes up there to give you more headroom here for the kids. Now you're going to have your electric fireplace here, which is basically a fancy electric space heater. You still have a traditional propane furnace as well. You have your propane leak detector down here on the side. You have the central vac down here with the little foot vac setup. And this was also ordered with the TV setup here as well. Master bedroom is going to be in the front of the RV, and you have a swing door going in each side here. There is pleated nightshades in this area. You have a window on each side of the bed that does open, and you have a windshield on the front of the RV that does not open. So we got a closet bar up there, pull-out drawer down here, full extending ball bearing drawer, got a drawers. The bed will raise up, so there's storage under there, and you have quite a bit of storage across the front top section here as well. Now there are TV hookups here on the wall at the foot of the bed. There's another light switch here with a dimmer on it. Now you can kind of scoot around the bed area. There's a motion light down there, but it does have some storage and stuff under there. And there is actually the cutting board for the sink area. Guess they forgot to set that up. But overall, pretty cool new look for the Forestriver Alpha Wolf 2025 year here. Now I want to show you real quick what this thing looks like closed as well. Then we're going to step outside and we will show you around the outside. So when you're ready to bring this in, you're going to have a control panel right here. It's got my slide button, awning button, 12-volt tank heaters for cold weather camping, water pump, voltmeter, what's going on with kind of my battery setup. There's this dimmer switch right here. You got outside and inside LED switch, monitor panel, on-demand water heater control, and actually got a 12-volt outlet here. But we're going to bring this in. So when we push the button, this thing comes straight in and straight out. This right here is very important to make sure your floor is actually clean before you bring this in. And also when you're going out, make sure nothing is in the way going out. You don't want to accidentally, run into an electric pole or water pole outside at the campsite. And also, again, you don't want to accidentally run over some, rocks or something that might have come off your shoe and then damage your linoleum when your slide out runs over top of it. But when it is closed, you can kind of see here, I can walk around through here. I could get to my refrigerator. So if I'm stopping at a grocery store, I could load some food in here without opening the slide. If I'm at the rest area and I need to just come in and grab a drink, I could do so. However, coming back to the back part is not real functional. Maybe a little kid could kind of climb over here. There's probably, I'd say 10 inches or so where they could maybe squeeze over top of that a little bit, but it does not allow the bathroom to open up very well. So you would have to bump the slide out some to get back there if you needed to. If you were just stopping and taking a nap up front for yourself, if you don't have the little kids with you or something, you could still get into your master bedroom from this side. No problem. I did forget to mention there's a little laundry basket thing down there. But completely doable from this side without really interrupting anything. And then when you're going back out, you're just basically hitting the button to take it right on back out. It only takes a few seconds to run these rooms in and out. They're 12-volt powered, so as long as you have a good charged up battery system, you should be able to run this in and out. Now, if I'm stopping again at that grocery store area and just want to run back here and maybe load something in or go on back to the bunk room or whatever, and I got enough room to bump it out some, I can stop in the middle. I don't have to go all the way out just to run back there and grab something. But you want to continue on out so that it seals properly when you're actually camping, or bring it all the way in when you're done camping so that it doesn't leak. But as you can see, pretty cool, new look, and easy to open and close your slide system. Now let's step on outside here and check out the outside. So going outside, we have the heavy duty step system here to take us right on out. That is rated for 500 pounds, comes down, touches the ground, has adjustable feet. Now outside wise, you have a whole new look on the outside as well. So they have a lower gray metal skirting, then you have a white fiberglass exterior now instead of kind of a lighter gray, and you also have a different graphics package on the outside as well. You do have a pretty large pass-through storage area here across the front area. This unit has a solar panel on it as well. So right here, you're going to have the front cap lights, another light switch here as well, and you also have your charge controller for the solar panel. Baggage door held up by the magnetic catch, slam lock baggage door. This little running light here and on the other side is prepped for a side camera system. It is also prepped right up there for another camera, and also prepped again on the back. You'll see when we get that back there for another camera. So you could put 4 cameras on the side of this thing and basically use one monitor as you're driving down the road to kind of see what's going on around the RV. And then some people actually take the monitor, they get the little 12-volt adapter for it, plug it in inside, and then when they're inside, they could actually see what's going on around the outside as well, if they're wanting to do so. Now again, we have down below heavy duty scissor jacks on this one. There's a pet friendly leash latch holder. You have a window in your entry exit door, and this actually has the black safety glass entry exit door here with the friction hinge on it, so it don't just slam against the RV or slam close kind of scenario. Large folding handle there. You do have a little outdoor area here for a mini fridge, a portable ice maker, and like a little workstation here. If you wanted to set up some sort of grill or something here, you could do so. There's a gas line hookup down below. It is a dual axle unit. It has that black aluminum wheel look with the drum brakes, easy lube hubs, outdoor TV hookups here. We have the stove exhaust up there. You have a large power awning here with LED light strip built in close to the body of the RV. Adjustable arms for tilting, manual override, and the front arm head in case of electronic failure. Right here, you're going to have a little bit of storage area here. This is underneath of one of the bunks that we had back there. On the rear of the RV, we have a traditional flat back fiberglass rear end. Again, up top center there, prepped for a rear camera by Furrion. Top right up there is prepped for the Lippert portable stow and go ladder, the aftermarket ladder you can buy and use if needed. It's a telescoping ladder, pretty cool. You do have a 2-inch hitch receiver here on the back of the RV. Now that is not meant to tow anything with. It's more of a bike rack hitch or luggage rack kind of hitch system. On around to this side here, we are going to have a dump hose holder down below, and you have your dump area right here with the pull handles and stuff, along with hot and cold low point water drains right there. You have the on-demand water heater right here, a hot and cold outside utility shower system right here, your docking station area right here as well. So right here you're going to have city water hookup, black tank flush. There is also the portable water gravity fill here, and cable satellite hookups as well. Detachable power cord also right here. And as you've seen, there is a light here, so if you're over here messing around at night, you can kind of see what you're doing. Slide out right here is set up if you want to do something to kind of consider talking with a salesperson about. Maybe you want to put a slide out topper on it. A lot of people like to do that. It helps shade the top of the room, repels a lot of water, leaves, twigs, debris, that type of stuff. And you can see here you do have that kind of mirrored tint window look on there as well. The other side of your storage compartment right here does have the battery disconnect here as well. Then we have some very important informational stuff here for you real quick. So this thing has a gross vehicle weight of 11,080 pounds. That's the most you're allowed to load it up to. Axle weight, hitch weight, everything combined, do not exceed that, 11,080 pounds. But it actually has a dry weight of 6,695 pounds. So you can cram a lot of kids' toys in this thing. You have a length of 34 feet, exterior length, tire size ST 225 75R15 E-range tires with an 80 PSI cold. Now it is very important to keep up with your tire pressure when traveling down the road. Now here we are going to have, looks like a light strip at the bottom below the Alpha Wolf name. There's another one at the top that apparently I forgot to turn on. You have a 3/4 fiberglass front cap, nice big windshield here, lower diamond plate metal skirting. You do have a power tongue jack on the front with the LED light built in, manual override in case of electronic failure. Got heavy duty safety chain, 7-way barbed wiring plug, 2 5/16 hitch bolt. 2 20-pound propane tanks with that hard cover and room for 1 or 2 batteries depending on the size of the battery. But overall, I think it is a very nice, new, refreshing look for the Alpha Wolf product here for 2025. All right, folks, thanks a ton for taking the time to watch this tour. As always, if you don't mind, please remember to smash that like button down below. And be sure to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation, guys. One of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. They should definitely save you a lot of money on a new RV. Thanks again.